In Indian mythology, Indra is the lord of thunder, lightning, and war. In the vast seas, his legendary weapon rises as a new warrior, INS Tamal. Second of the Tushil class, she is our 8th stealth frigate from Russia. Forged in the renowned Yantar shipyard, Tamal is a symbol of both a strategic partnership and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Next generation MR SAMs enable rapid engagement of aerial threats. 2 AK-630s provide close-in defense, making Tamal an impenetrable fortress. Tamal's BrahMos missiles enable engaging of targets at sea and land. The indigenous Hamsa NG sonar enables long-range detection of submarines. Ensuring the kill are Tamal's heavyweight torpedoes. A 12-barrel rocket launcher provides critical rapid attack capability. Tamal's state-of-the-art bridge integrates advanced navigation systems. The operations room features a next-generation combat management system, which fuses all sensor data, ensuring complete battle space awareness. Tamal's Hello Hangar accommodates the count 28 enhancing safety are automated power supply distribution and advanced firefighting and damage control systems. A Kogak propulsion plant powers Tamal, ensuring both speed and unmatched
Approximately 5 seconds remain until impact. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warning.
To achieve our mission, we leave no wave unconquered.